Today is our day off, and we are out adventuring in Washington at Cape Disappointment.
Not by choice.
He's not happy, guys. There's a cool cove called Deadman's Cove that's supposed to be epic and just gorgeous.
It better be.
And I've been dying to go there. So let's go.
What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a Class C motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
I love our lives! Woo! Don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
So far, we have not seen a sign for the actual Deadman's Cove. It just says the lighthouse trail. Hopefully we find it. What do you think?
We better find it, damn it.
Cross your fingers, guys, that we find some kind of maybe marker, sign, hopefully.
I'm going to uncross my fingers and just leave one finger up.
I don't think he's happy, guys. Oh, look at this cool tree, babe.
Yeah, it's cool.
Wow. What is that? What the heck is that?
It's chipmunks or squirrels or whatever.
I just saw one right now.
Keep going up there.
Look, it's a house in there.
Well, he went through here. Oh, he must have climbed up there around the outside.
Yeah.
He's fast.
Whoa!
Is he calling everybody?
I think so. We better get out of here. Wow. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous.
Yeah, it's nice.
Shut up. It's beautiful.
I'm mad because we're hiking, damn it. Shut up. Leave me alone. But it is a nice view.
Still no sign. We're just kind of heading into the abyss of this trail. Seeing where it takes us.
Yeah, down, down, down. So we can go climb back up, up, up. Jerk ass.
We are going downhill the whole time. So it's nice and easy. Oh, wow. This is a big downhill.
Right. No. Now we go straight down. Just remember, in my mind, I have that finger up the whole time.
What I'm really hoping is that we find this place because we brought
The drone.
the drone. Yep, we got a drone. A DG.
No.
No.
DJI.
A DJI.
The Mini 3. Yeah, still learning how to use it, but let's go have some fun with it.
Yeah, we're going to go try it out. Let's go. Well, hopefully if we find this place. Still haven't found a sign. I see a sign. I see a sign that says Deadman. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so pretty.
Okay, that's pretty bitchin'.
Okay, we got to figure out how to get down there now. I don't know which is the way, but we got to find out.
What? It goes straight the down. Are you kidding me?
There's a way to get down there.
Yeah, and it'll hurt.
No, we gotta find out. Everybody goes down there. We gotta find out. All right, let's figure it out. You look that way, I'll look this way. Huh?
Doesn't even look like there's any trail that way.
It's this way, babe.
Oh my God. We found it.
There's nobody even here. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna let him go first. In case spiders.
Oh, bro, come on. This is like going through jungle. There's gonna be shit in here. Oh, bro. Do you understand what we're doing here? No, I don't like this at all. What? I like this. What's up? Come on, man. The whole way down. Seriously. And then the whole
Are
way
we
up.
sure this is the way down?
Bro, you're the one taking us this way. I can't even see anything.
I think the trail is right here.
Well, I don't like it.
I know I don't like it either.
Then why the hell are we here?
Because I want to get down there.
But we gotta be in it for a while.
It looks like it was supposed to be that side.
Bro,
Right there, look. See where the switchback right there? I think we're supposed to be going down that way, not this way. I don't think it's this way. I think it's that way. Come on. We gotta go back.
I didn't even see a trail.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe because I didn't want to see one. I don't know.
Ow, damn it. Oh, I think it's this way. I think it's this way.
Damn it. Oh, great. You found it.
Yeah, I don't think that's
We should probably follow that sign.
yeah. Let's go down a little bit further on the path.
Yeah, maybe that sign will tell us where to go.
Oh my gosh.
I better get donuts after this. I swear to God. I better get donuts after this or pizza.
Oh my gosh, I
I
can't
don't give a
believe
shit which one. I better get one or the other.
I can't believe
Or a new disc. There better be something in it for me.
So don't worry. The path is very clearly marked. You don't have to try to figure it out. This place is freaking cool. The water is so freaking clear. It's so freaking cool, guys. Look at this. I feel like we're stranded on a beach by ourselves. All right, check it out.
This is the DJI Mini 3, our new toy. And I'm still learning how to use it, but it's been fun flying this thing. So let's see what kind of footage we get today. Well, let's get this bird off the ground. What do you say?
All right.
Here we go.
Looks like we're having some technical difficulties in not being able to film. So we're gonna try to figure that one out. Oh, did he get it?
Got it.
Oh, he got it. All right, here he goes.
Okay, we're recording. Here we go. Look up. Yeah, this is awesome.
I love it. I love it. It's a great toy. I love it.
Still mad at the hike.
He's scared.
Yeah, I'm good. Come back, drone. Come back.
It's so high.
Yeah. Is your name Drone? I didn't know I was calling you.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, your name's not Drone.
That's why I was like, hey.
Low battery alert. Landing.
Yeah.
Whee!
That was fun, but I got scared. I got scared when it was way up there, out there, and I got scared when it was way up there. But that was funish stuff.
Using the drone for the first time in the most epic, gorgeous place ever. I cannot leave this beach without trying the water. Is it freezing? Oh, it's actually nice. Wow, I thought it was gonna be freezing, but it's actually gorgeous. Oh, this would be a nice place to come and swim. We are leaving here, but now that we're leaving here, I'm looking up the side of the mountain that we were trying to come down. And what the heck was I thinking?
What do you mean we? You made me go that way. That was your idea.
Well, it looked like there was a path.
You're
You were
trying to
there.
push me off
You were
the
there.
side. You tried to push me off the side.
Gosh, this place is so gorgeous. I wish this was like nobody here ever, and we can just lay here and just be a private beach.
That'd be nice.
Swim naked. Oh, like our Blue Lagoon. Whew. He's not liking me right now. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous, but it's straight up right now.
What's not gorgeous is the all the way up part. Oh my God. Will you stop it for a move? That cramp in my leg last night still hurts.
Whew, it is getting hot out here. The question is, go back to the car or go up to the lighthouse?
You know what my vote is.
All right, let me just go up to that part right there, the little top, and see what it looks like.
Oh, I do not want to keep going up there.
Oh, there's a bathroom. You need to come.
All right, I'm on my way.
Oh, dang it. Is that a bathroom? I hope so.
There's a bathroom up there, so she needs to go.
I hope it's a bathroom.
But I still don't like her for the hike. I don't like hikes.
Oh, no. It's not. I lied. I think I lied. I saw a building. Oh, no. This goes way up. No. No lighthouse today. It is getting hotter and we're going straight up. No, thank you. We'll insert a picture of the lighthouse here. Boom. So remember, tip, if you're coming to here for the first time, go to the second one. That's actually the path to get down. I am glad we came early because 1, the parking lot is packed now. And 2, it is getting hot out there. Holy crap.